Let's suppose you are in a situation in which you need n number of similar sketches along x-axis or along y-axis. In that case, you will use linear sketch pattern. Remember, direction 1 is for the x-axis and direction 2 is for the y-axis. Select the entity, and now this tab is for the distance between the two consecutive sketches. Let's make it 60. This tab is for the number of sketches. Let's make it 5. You can see the preview. There are 5 sketches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this tab is for the deviation from the specified axis. Now this is in the direction 1, so this is for the deviation from the x-axis. As you can see, when I enter 45 degree, this will deviate from the x-axis at an angle of 45 degree. Now similar functions is for the direction 2, that is for the y-axis. And if you want any sketches to skip, then you can click here. When you click on this tab, you will see dots corresponding to the sketches. Click on the dot which you want to skip.
Now suppose you are in a condition in which you need to repeat your sketch along a circular path. That's where we will use circular sketch pattern. First of all, in this tab, select the sketches. Now in this tab, select the center of the circle along which you want your sketch to be repeated. Now these two tabs are to shift the center of the circle which we selected above in the x and y direction. This is the tab for adjusting the radius of the circle, and the next tab is for rotating the center of the circle in an angular fashion. Now next thing is equal spacing. If you check this, then Solidworks automatically equally spaced the all sketches along the circumference of the circle. And if you uncheck the box, then you will be able to adjust the angles between the adjacent sketches. You can mention your angle right here. When the equally spacing box is in the checked position, then this tab will show the angle up to which your sketch is to be repeated. As you can clearly see, 180 means half circle. In this tab, you need to enter the number of sketches you want to be repeated on the circumference of the circle. As you can clearly see, 9 sketches on a semicircle doesn't look perfect. Let's make it full circle, and the last thing is instances to skip. In this, you can select the in-between sketches that you did not want to be repeated. For example, like this.